The whispers on the Hollywood grapevine have finally turned into a roar. Sources close to Netflix confirmed the streaming giant has abruptly cancelled Meghan Markle's highly anticipated cooking show, a project that was meant to showcase the Duchess of Sussex's passion for food and philanthropy. This abrupt cancellation comes on the heels of a highly publicized and, frankly, tone-deaf disaster tourism tour of the aftermath of the devastating Montecito wildfires. The news of Meghan's cooking show, initially met with a mixture of intrigue and skepticism, was touted as a groundbreaking venture. It promised to blend culinary delights with charitable initiatives, aligning perfectly with Meghan's carefully crafted image as a humanitarian. However, the project soon faced headwinds. Critics raised concerns about the Duchess's perceived detachment from the realities of everyday cooking, pointing to her privileged upbringing and the sheer opulence of her Montecito mansion. Then came the Montecito wildfires. While the community grappled with the devastation, Meghan and Prince Harry embarked on a series of highly publicized visits to affected areas. While well-intentioned, the optics were undeniably problematic. Critics slammed the couple for exploiting the tragedy for PR purposes, accusing them of using the disaster to bolster their own image as compassionate philanthropists. 2 photographs of Meghan, impeccably dressed and flawlessly made up, surveying the charred remains of homes while flanked by a phalanx of security guards did little to quell the outrage. The disaster tourism accusations further tarnished Meghan's image, painting her as a self-serving opportunist more concerned with projecting an image of humanitarianism than genuinely assisting those in need. The backlash was swift and severe, with social media erupting in a torrent of criticism. Memes mocking Meghan's perceived insensitivity quickly went viral, further damaging her public image. Netflix, ever mindful of its public image, appears to have decided to distance itself from the controversy. The cancellation of Meghan's cooking show, while undoubtedly a blow to her personal ambitions, may also be seen as a strategic move to protect the company's brand. Associating Netflix with the ongoing backlash surrounding Meghan could have proven detrimental to the streaming giant's bottom line. This episode serves as a stark reminder that even the most carefully constructed public personas can crumble under the weight of genuine public scrutiny. Meghan Markle, with her carefully cultivated image as a global icon, has faced a series of setbacks in recent months. The cancellation of her cooking show is just the latest in a string of controversies that have plagued the Duchess since her departure from the British royal family. The future of Meghan's media career now hangs in the balance. Will she be able to recover from this latest setback? Can she regain the public trust she has seemingly lost? Only time will tell. However, one thing is certain, that Megxit saga continues to captivate the public imagination, providing endless fodder for speculation and debate.